How to delete your Zangi account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete the account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. So here, you'll be able to see the option called privacy. Search for privacy and tap on it. So here in this privacy section, here at the last option, you can see delete account. Tap on delete account. So make sure that you want to delete all your account. So make sure you back up all the chats, photos and your important documents before deleting your account. So make sure you do all these steps and now tap on this delete button. So it will take some time and it will completely delete your account. So you cannot have any backups after this, or you cannot regain the same number. Now it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.